Okay, children, today we are doing another important reaction of halo compound, that is reaction with metal. So this reaction can be written like this: with Rx halo compound, and say we are considering metal, say magnesium. And we are using here dry ether. Ether is used in this reaction as solvent, and this ether is free from water. So that's why it's called dry ether. So this alkyl halide, we will study alkyl halide is insoluble in water. That's why we use here dry ether. So dry ether is acting as solvent here. And the product is RMgX. So alkyl magnesium halide. This compound is properly known as Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. We'll see in subsequent classes that from this compound we can prepare, we can synthesize many other compounds, many other types of organic compounds. So this is the thing. Now, what happens if there is some amount of water here? What happens if some amount of water is here? Then there is another reaction that can take place: RMgX plus water. If there is some water in the system, so this Grignard reagent that is formed will react with water, and it will form RH. This part will unite with this part, and there will be a side product MgXOH. So we will get alkane if there is some amount of water in dry ether. So to get rid of this reaction, so that this reaction doesn't happen, it has to be dry ether, free from moisture. Okay, another reaction, say alkyl halide plus sodium. Now we have sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Then it is RR plus NaX. Two fragments of this, two units, actually per for formation of 1 mole of this compound, 2 moles of this is used. For 1 mole of this compound formation, 2 moles is required. I mean, this is a balanced chemical equation. So when halo compound is made to react with sodium in presence of dry ether, we get alkane. One illustrative example: suppose if we want to prepare this alkane, then we have to take say this compound to prepare this. If we want to prepare by this reaction, about this alkane we want to prepare, then the halo compound that we have to take is Cl. And this reaction has a name. It's a name reaction. It is called Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Suppose there is a question that suppose how is this alkane prepared by Wurtz reaction? Write the chemical equation. Suppose like this question comes in exam. So the chemical equation will be here you have to write dry ether. The corresponding halo compound will be CH3, CH, CH3, Cl. This will be the corresponding halo compound. We have to take sodium, and if you want to balance this equation, so you have to 2 here 2 plus NaCl. So this is how it can be made. Okay, now there are some reactions, main reaction, which is okay. Let me come to that after some time. Here we get, you can see, you have seen here, we get alkane in this reaction with even number of carbon atoms. We get alkane here with even number of carbon atoms. We will get carbon compound with 2 carbon atom, or 4 carbon atom, or 6 carbon atom, or 8 carbon atom, and so on. Now, question arises: can we prepare by Wurtz reaction an alkane with odd number of carbon atoms? For example, this alkane, can we prepare? Can we prepare this alkane? Answer is yes, we can prepare, but there is some issues are there. Let us discuss. In order to prepare this alkane by Wurtz reaction, we have to take 2 different halo compounds. Unlike the previous cases, we have to take 2 different halo compounds. So this is one halo compound, and this is another halo compound. We have to take 2 different halo compounds, and then it will give us this alkane with odd number of carbon atom, and side product equal to 6 will be NaCl. But another thing about this reaction is that we will not get only this alkane. We will get mixture of alkanes will be getting. In addition to this alkane, we will also get this one. I mean this joining with another such compound. So CH3, CH3 will get, and this one also can give another compound. It is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. That means in order to prepare alkane with odd number of carbon atom, we can prepare, but we will get mixture of alkanes. Then we have to know the methods of separating them. That is a bit difficult. So that's why Wurtz reaction is not a very good method for preparing alkane with odd number of carbon atoms. Okay, now let us consider another 2 reactions. Main reaction one is called Wurtz-Wittig reaction. Wurtz-Wittig reaction, and next one we'll discuss is Wittig reaction. So, an example of Wurtz-Wittig reaction is CH3Cl. This is a halo compound plus this plus sodium in presence of dry ether. So here what we are seeing is that we have a halo compound here, another is halo, this is halo alkane, this is halo arene. Then we will get the product CH3, CH3. So when we get like this case, this such reaction is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So in Wurtz-Fittig reaction, one has to be haloalkane, another has to be haloarine. So like that product we get in case of Wurtz-Fittig reaction.